Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you need to create a form and would like to have a feature that would prevent duplicate submissions? That's possible. Let me show you an example. So here we have an employee registration form. So you'll see that the full name's already filled out with my sample name, sample email, department, we selected sales, and a job title as an example. So let's just check what we already have on the submissions. All you need to do is go to your form and click on the submissions tab. Once you click the submissions tab, it will automatically open the link of your Notion database. And you'll see here that there's already an email existing, which is archie@test.com. So let's just see if we are going to be able to enter the same email. Okay, so it showed the error message that this email is already existing and we need to use another email. So let's just change the email to test.com as an example and then click on register. And this time it accepted the submission. Well, NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion actually has its own form builder. It is straightforward and easy to use, and it offers basic form features. However, it doesn't have advanced features such as custom validation that will prevent duplicate submissions to your forms. This is very helpful, especially in cases where you'd like to avoid duplicate submissions on your ordering, booking, or registration forms. This way, it will actually help you manage your form more efficiently. And this feature would actually help you manage your form more efficiently, avoiding duplicate. This feature would actually help you manage your form more efficiently. So, as a form owner, this feature. As a form owner, this feature would actually help you manage your forms more efficiently. So now let me walk you through on how to enable this custom validation to your form. So here, first, we need to make sure that we're logged into our NoteForms account. And then next, click on create a new form. Then let's just say we're starting from scratch. And then next, let's utilize the AI form builder. So we'd like to have a registration form to collect employee information, include fields for full name, email, department, job title, and a short note at the top reminding users that each email must be unique and only one submission per person is allowed. So it's been 14 seconds now since we started to click on generate form. It's already 21 seconds running final checks. It's almost ready. Starting the AI magic. It's analyzing requirements, less than 30 seconds. We already have our form created. So here, as you can see, we already have the name, email, department, and job title. Next thing that we need to do to add the custom validation is just click on the input field settings. Could be here or on this side. And once we're on the settings of the email address, click on validation. Then let's add a rule. And then next, click the drop down. And since we only need to add one validation, we don't need a rule group. And just click add rule. And then base it on the email. When email does not exist in submission. So it means that it will only accept email addresses that it's not existing on your Notion database. And then next, let's enter an error message. Let's just say, sorry, this email is already existing. Please use another email address. And then once we're done with that, next is click on publish form on the upper right. And then since we don't have a Notion database yet, we need to select a Notion page where our Notion database will be created. So I'll be selecting my own Notion database here. We click on Save Form, and as easy as that, we already have our form with this custom validation feature that will prevent duplicate submissions. Hopefully, this video helps, but if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions.